Hey brother, do you know that one of the most common problems of veterinarian medicine is?
What? Itching dogs and cats. Itching dogs and cats are a very common problem in the animal hospital.
It can drive veterinarians and owners crazy.
With an itching animal, we always want to be consistent with our approach. 1. Taking good history. 2. A great dermatologic exam. 3. Take cytology samples. The first and most important thing to do is give your vet a proper history of your pet's lifestyle and environment. Once we have the information we need, next we perform a physical exam. This helps us identify lesions that may help identify problems. Lots of times we can find evidence of fleas, lesions consistent with mites, or other infectious organisms. If a diagnosis has not been made, the next step will be to perform diagnostic testing to try to identify the problem. This often includes cytology of the skin, blood testing, and stool testing. That's looking at your poop. Depending on the case, treatment may be initiated to try to rule out specific conditions. Oftentimes, if other causes have not been ruled out, then we will test and or treat for allergies. If allergies are suspected, a food trial may be initiated. Can't we just get a bunch of different foods from the store to try? No. Please talk with your vet about performing a proper food trial and getting a prescription diet. It's not as easy as it sounds. The next step may be testing for environmental allergies. Talk with your vet about different options for testing environmental allergies. Itching is tough. It can be very tough to control. Please talk with your vet to help with this condition.
We are the VetBros, and we're committed to keeping pets healthy. Jinx.
You ready?
Ready.
Thomas, stand next to brother, please. Stand next to brother. All right, Matisse, look at the camera. Oh. Thomas, over there. Scoot over. Scoot over. Right there. Thomas, right there. Thomas, 3.
Take cytology sample. Take cytology samples.
This helps us identify lesions.
Okay.
That's looking at your poop bud. Looking at your poop bud. That's just something made up. Conditions. The conditions.
Okay, Matisse.
Moving that way.
Look at that.